How to add straight lines into your Freeform board. So simply open your Freeform project and at the tab click on Shapes and make sure you are in Basics and you can click on this line. Now if you want to, you can add grids to your project, which is this little icon. So you can click it and you can see here small dots. And now we want to grab this line and make it straight and make it long like you want. And in order to add another one, make sure this line is clicked. Press on your keyboard Command plus C and Command plus V, and the straight line was copied and pasted. And you can do it whatever times you want. And now if I, for example, export it, and the project looks like this, just straight lines. You can, for example, print your lines if you need to, and that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.